Hello guys, today I will unpack with you or unbox with you this spectacular knife that is from SHAN ZU company. It's a company that make knife already. It's more than 20 years that they make knives, so they know what to do. But I want to say the truth. I take it because I like the shape and the design. Now we will examine together the material, and after we will test it directly in our kitchen. So come near. Like you can read directly from the knife is Gyo Series and is 67 layers Damascus steel. The cutting edge of the steel of the knife is double level 15 degree. So it's perfect. When you cut, you can go very straight. The spine is 2 millimeters, so it's strong enough. And also the stronger of the steel, or the harder of the steel, is 62 HRC. So it's quite hard. Keep attention, because if you buy a knife too hard, after will be difficult to sharp again. Here you can handing very well. The ending is made with a glass fiber and also is narrow tongue, so it's very easy to keep it and to manage. Now we can check the balance. The knife is well balanced here where you can hand it, so will be very easy to use it. Now we will cut different vegetables, some meats like the chicken and the pork. But first we will do the test of the falling tomato. Spectacular. The tomato is cut perfectly in two, only with the gravity force and also the green part. Now we can try to cut our tomato very thin to check if we can be precise with this knife. You can see it's very sharp because the tomato now is transparent. So let's cut the tomato like we do normally, because we never do this experiment. Okay, with the vegetables is perfect, so let's try with the meat. Okay, with the chicken, no problem. So tonight we know what to eat. The chicken breaded steak. Now let's cut the pork to make a very yummy stew. So in the end, the knife is not only beautiful, but also well done, because cut very well and also is easy to handle. So guys, if you want to buy it, you can buy also directly from the link that you can find in the description of this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. Only one thing I forgot to show. I will cut the paper like a demonstration that is cutting very well, but please don't do this at home, because in this way you can spoil the knife. Bye bye!